Is your Amazon Prime movie night turning into a black screen nightmare? Don't throw your remote just yet because we're diving into quick fixes to get you back to streaming. First, let's check your connections. Make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your TV and streaming device. Try unplugging and replugging them also. Ensure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Next up, let's make sure your Amazon Prime Video app is up to date. Head to your device's app store. Search for Amazon Prime Video, and if there's an update available, hit that button. Restart the application after it updates. Speaking of devices, is yours compatible? Older smart TVs sometimes struggle with newer app versions. You might need to use a different device, like a newer smart TV or streaming stick. If all else fails, let's try a simple account refresh. Sign out of your Amazon Prime Video account on your TV or streaming device, then sign back in. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these quick fixes has banished the black screen and brought back your Prime Video entertainment. If you're still stuck, be sure to contact Amazon Prime Video support. Happy watching!